In this video, you'll learn how to embed a report directly into the body of an email using Mail and Deploy, making it easier for your recipients to see key data at a glance without needing to open any attachments. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by creating a Word report. We open the Mail and Deploy Designer and create a new Word template from scratch. This gives us a flexible workspace to design exactly how we want the report to look. For this example, we'll insert two elements, a chart and a table. The chart will give us a visual overview of the data, while the table will provide the detailed numbers. You can also insert text boxes, headings, or any other design elements around your report parts to personalize and enhance the look of your final email. Now, to make our report more specific and relevant, we'll apply a filter to the table element. We filter the sales figures to show only the product subgroup hot dogs. This ensures that when the report is generated, only the filtered data is included, keeping it clean and focused for the reader. Next, we arrange the elements neatly in our Word template. First, placing the chart at the top and the table below it. Let's run a quick preview to check how the report looks like. The layout looks professional and the content is exactly what we need. We save the template, and now it's time to move on to setting up the task that will deliver this report via email. First, we create a new task and give it a meaningful name, in this case, Send Word HTML. Inside the task, we navigate to the Actions tab. Here, we add a new action and select Create Report Document. When choosing the file type, we make sure to select HTML document. This is important because we want the report to be created as HTML so it can be inserted directly into the email body. Once that's set, we save the action. Now, since we want to send this report by email, we add another action, Send Email. Within the email settings, we first enable the option Send Email even if there are no attachments. This is crucial because in this case, the report isn't sent as a file, but embedded right into the email. We then type a subject line for our email. Next, in the body type dropdown, we select HTML report document. This tells Mail and Deploy that instead of sending a static message or an attachment, it should pull the generated HTML report into the body of the email itself. You'll notice that the setting body report document is now activated, linking directly to the report we just created. All that's left is to define the email recipient and save the task. Now let's run the task. Mail and Deploy will first generate the Word report as an HTML document. Then it will automatically embed the beautifully formatted content into the body of the email. And finally, it will send it out to the specified recipients, all in one seamless workflow. When your recipients open the email, they will see the report content immediately. Clear, structured, and visually appealing, without having to download or open any attachments. And that's it. Thanks for watching.